Welcome to this tutorial on strides in NumPy arrays. Strides are a fundamental concept that helps you understand how NumPy navigates through array memory. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how strides determine memory navigation in arrays and why they matter for efficient data manipulation. So what exactly are strides? Strides are byte offsets that define how many bytes to jump in memory to move to the next element along each dimension of an array. Think of them as instructions that tell NumPy how far to step in memory when accessing array elements. Every array has a strides attribute that contains these byte offset values. Let's start with a simple one-dimensional array example. We import NumPy and create an array with 4 elements, 10, 20, 30, and 40. When we print the strides attribute of this array, we get a tuple with a single value, 8. But what does this 8 mean? Let's find out in the next slide. The stride value of 8 means that each element is 8 bytes apart in memory. This happens because we're using the int 64 data type by default. 64 bits equals 8 bytes. So to move from one element to the next in our array, NumPy jumps exactly 8 bytes forward in memory. Now let's look at a two-dimensional array. We create a 2x3 array with 6 elements arranged in 2 rows and 3 columns. When we check the strides, we get a tuple with 2 values, 24 and 8. These two numbers tell us how to navigate both dimensions of our array. Let's break down what 24,8 means. The first value, 24 bytes, is the stride for moving to the next row. Since each row has 3 elements and each element is 8 bytes, we need to jump 3 times 8, which equals 24 bytes. The second value, 8 bytes, is the stride for moving to the next column within the same row. This is just one element's worth of memory. Strides become even more interesting when we create array views. Here we create an array with 6 elements, then slice it with a step of 2. This creates a view that includes every other element, 1, 3, and 5. When we check the strides of this view, we get 16 instead of 8. Why does the stride become 16 bytes? Because slicing with step 2 means we're skipping every other element. To move from element 1 to element 3, we need to jump over element 2. That's 2 elements worth of memory, which is 2 times 8, equaling 16 bytes. The stride doubles because we're stepping twice as far. Understanding strides is crucial for 3 main reasons. First, they enable memory-efficient views without copying data. When you slice an array, NumPy doesn't create a new copy, it just adjusts the strides. Second, strides allow fast array operations through pointer arithmetic, making NumPy incredibly efficient. Third, they support advanced indexing and slicing patterns that would otherwise be very slow. And that's it. You now understand how strides work in NumPy arrays. By mastering strides, you've unlocked a deeper understanding of how NumPy manages memory and performs efficient array manipulation. This knowledge will help you write more efficient code and debug memory-related issues. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.